Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, greetings. AliShanMao here, and welcome to another family barbecue party. Today we are on a little hilltop. So we have cell phone here, we have Jamil from Bangladesh, his wife Pinky here, my wife, that's my wife, right? Yeah, that's my wife right there, Mariam. That's my kiddos. Which one is this? This is Hadi. I cannot see the screen. That is Arish. And whose wife is that? Yeah, this is what we call making fire with a contraption. That's lovely. And actually she's planning to go to Canada and leave China forever. She loves Canada so much.
No.
Really?
No.
Okay. And here is Max, aka Chang Chang. So
Oh no!
It's good break, like 2 legs like this, we have break.
our contraption is really very helpful today. Hey, how did you get potatoes without me? Let's go and see the potato cooker. Ooh, now we have sausages. That's superb and awesome. Okay. The front is too heavy. The brake is too open. Close the brake. Close the brake. Look at that. Look at that big fire coming, and stones are cooking as well. So I have got the order from wife that I should go and buy coal. And let's go to the nearest metro mall and buy ourselves some coal, because the wood is not good enough to have barbecue. I'm enjoying driving my Citroen C5 Aircross, first time in places like this, off-road. This car has all the off-road systems, and I have never tried this car on off-road before. So today is the time to have fun driving a little bit of off-road. Well, this is not off-road, it's just that 5 kg of BBQ charcoal is here, so I'm gonna remove the wood and the stones as well and put the BBQ charcoal. He's making road more smooth, you know, because he's heavy like a road ruler. Normally this area we practice paragliding, you know, students of paragliding, they just come here, over there, or from this angle or this spot they jump down. It's a very good place.